Turn on outlet.
Okay.
Hey, what's up? This is Reed with Smart Home Solver, and today we're going to be reviewing the Ecobee Switch Plus. It's a smart light switch that costs a little bit more than other smart light switches, but it has a ton of features, so let's see if those features make it worth the price. So installing the Switch Plus was actually pretty easy. We've done a few smart switches around our house, so this wasn't any different. Just note that the Switch Plus is not compatible with lights that have multiple light switches connected to them. So if you just have one light switch connected to your light, then that will work. And the light can't be dimmed with the Switch Plus. So just an on and off switch. So just know that going into it. And all you have to do is just turn off the power, remove your old switch, pull out the neutral wires, which are just basically a bunch of white wires, all capped together, and just put the white wire from the Switch Plus in with them, connect the other black wires, connect the neutral wire, install it back again, turn on the power, and then at the top you'll see the little orange light, and that will mean the neutral wire is giving it power, and then test out the button and the light will turn on and off. When you're setting up the Switch Plus in the app, first you get the Ecobee app, the same one as the thermostat, and it will ask you if the light is an indoor or outdoor. And this actually matters because if it's an outdoor light, then you only get some functionality. If it's an indoor light, you get some other functionality. And if it's an outdoor light, you can have the light automatically turn on when the sun sets or turn off when the sun rises or at a certain time. It doesn't have motion capabilities on the outdoor light. They just disable that. But for the indoor light, you can have motion and you can just have the light turn off after a certain amount of time of no motion. I don't know why they don't give you both capabilities. I guess it's just to make it easier on the user. The Switch Plus is jam-packed full of features. Of course, it has built-in Alexa, has a motion sensor in it, it has a Nightlight, it can connect to HomeKit, it can connect to If, SmartThings, and Google Assistant. So to connect it to Alexa, it's really easy. You just enable it with your existing Alexa account, or you create a new Alexa account if you don't already have one. And the speaker in this thing is actually pretty dang good. What is the weather outside?
Right now in Phoenix, it's 94 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies. Throughout the night, you can expect more of the same.
I mean, it sounds like an Echo Dot. The voice commands are very clear, and you can actually even play music from it.
Shuffling songs by 21 Pilots.
So, someone comes over to your house, they're like, hey, where's that music coming from? Oh yeah, my light switch. No, that's kind of crazy. You can't play Spotify Premium on it right now, and you can't connect it to a Bluetooth device. It doesn't have Bluetooth, which is kind of a bummer. I mean, it can connect to a Sonos speaker, and it doesn't have drop-in capabilities. Drop-in on family room.
Calling with Alexa is not supported on this device,
which is kind of a big downside for me. I use that functionality a lot. It has two other little buttons on top. It has a mute button on the left, and on the right is the action button. And the action button is pretty useful. You walk into the room, you press it, you don't have to say the trigger word Alexa. You can just press it and just give it a command. And it also has ESP, or Echo Spatial Perception. And then what that means is if you have another Echo device in your room, it will know which one you're speaking to. What's my flash briefing?
Here's your flash briefing. In NPR News.
And it has far field voice recognition, so if you're far away from it, it can still pick you up just like the other Echo devices. So in the app you can toggle if you want the motion detection to work if you're using it as an indoor light. So right when you walk in, the light can turn on if it's dark. You can also put a do not disturb, so say you're using this in a bedroom and you get up to go to the bathroom or get a drink or something and you don't want it to turn on and wake anybody up, you can say, don't turn on from midnight to 7 a.m. or something like that. It also has a night light at the bottom, which you can toggle on and off. It's not too bright when it keep anybody up from sleeping, but it's a nice little feature. If it's dark, you can see right where the light switch is. So the Ecobee Switch Plus is compatible with If, or If This and That, HomeKit, and SmartThings. SmartThings, it doesn't work as a motion sensor. You can only use it as a light switch. It is compatible with Google Assistant, but The speaker and the mic on it is always Alexa. You can't switch it out for the Google Assistant. You can just use Google Assistant on your phone or a Google Home to control the light switch. I don't know why you would use a Google Home to control this when you have the speaker and the mic. You've bought this and it's on your wall. Just talk to the light switch. The Ecobee remote sensors for the thermostats are built into the Switch Plus, but they're not active right now. They'll come in a software update this summer. So the Ecobee Switch Plus does come in around $100, which is a little bit more than other smart switches out there. So yes, the Switch Plus isn't perfect. It's missing Bluetooth, it can't dim a light, but if you're looking for a similar option, like an Echo Dot with a smart switch that has a motion sensor built in, it's gonna be about the same price. The Switch Plus is in one little device in your wall. It's pretty minimalist. What do you guys think? Do you think the Ecobee Switch Plus is worth it? Let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more smart home videos, and we'll see you again next time. Next time on Smart Home Solver, when you're getting sick of your Echo device, control it with Google Assistant.
I feel like you're cheating on me. Do you not love me anymore?